Solved problem. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of an 8 meters tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30° and 45°, respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. Solution. Look at the figure carefully. Observe that PB is a transversal to the parallel lines P, Q and B, D. Therefore, angle QPB and angle PBD are alternate angles, and so are equal. So angle PBD equals 30°. Similarly, angle PAC equals 45°. In right triangle PBD, we have PD by D, B equals tan 30 equals 1 by root 3. In right triangle PAC, we have P, C by A, C equals tan 45° equals 1. That is P, C equals A, C. Also P, C equals P, D plus D, C, therefore P, D plus D, C equals A, C. Since A, C equals P, D and D, C equals A, B equals 8 meters. We get P, D plus 8 equals P, D equals P, D into root 3. This gives P, D equals 8 divided by root 3 minus 1 equals 8, root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 equals 4 into root 3 plus 1 meters. So the height of the multi-storied building is 4 into root 3 plus 1 plus 8 meters equals 4, 3 plus root 3 meters. Distance between the two buildings is also 4 into 3 plus root 3 meters.